I've always wanted to try lip injections. I think that it completely transforms your face. So I've always wanted to see what it would look like on me, and I have really thin lips, so I really want to get that Kylie Jenner vibe. I think I have a pretty good pain threshold, but I'm not a fan of needles, so I'm in beauty is pain, face your fears, all of that. I know that I'm with the best, so I'm doing it with Dr. Natasha Cook at Darlinghurst Dermatology Clinic, and she's amazing and a filler specialist, so I'm in good hands. So here's the before and the after. I don't know about you, but I am so impressed with the results. I love how natural it looks, but makes such a massive difference. I'm so obsessed with it, and I can't wait to book in again.